Ladies and gentlemen, this unique 2-ounce silver coin is part of the TechStalgic series, a tribute to the devices that held our stories. In this limited edition, the floppy disk gilded 24-karat gold plated edition, vessel of secrets, light, square, magnetic memory sealed in plastic, guarded by a steel shutter clicking alive at your touch. It saved words, codes, dreams in progress, small capacity, infinite hope. It moved from hand to hand, from desk to desk, carrying schoolworks, love letters, unfinished words, shaping the rhythm of creation before the world went digital. The coin holds this legacy in silk finish, encased in gold plating, a memory you can still hold in your hands. And yes, it is sealed in a case with its certificate of authenticity, which has been quite different from all other normal editions that you guys have seen on this channel, be it the colored or the plain edition. But yeah, this is only limited to 99 pieces, so 99. So anyways, I welcome you guys to this World Money Fair edition. And yes, Cobra Stacker was the first customer to purchase this particular gilded edition at the World Money Fair. Yes, Cobra Stacker, absolute legend. And yes, your World Money Fair edition, your floppy disk TechStalgic gilded 2-ounce silver coin, to New Zealand dollar NIUE 2026 edition. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, let us all dive on in, and when we come back, shall analyze in details the features of this coin. Let us all dive on in. Greetings, my people, and indeed a very warm, fantastic, majestic, and fantabulous welcome to each and every single one of you to yet again another of my coin showcasing videos. My name is Biwari Kum Stacker NZ, and you guys are highly welcome to today's edition, the World Money Fair edition 2026 Berlin, your floppy disk from the TechStalgic series. And congratulations to our brother Cobra Stacker for being the first customer of this floppy disk gold gilded edition at the World Money Fair. Alrighty, let's get into what we have. The reverse of the silver coin reveals the iconic floppy disk. Sharp edges, compact form. The shutter shines in proof perfection, sealing every memory it holds. And yes, still on the reverse side of this wonderful floppy disk coin, also the inscriptions, floppy disk, quite vivid, quite bold on the floppy disk itself, which is the name of the coin in the TechStalgic series. So that's the name of the coin. 2-ounce your weight, 395 purity of silver. Your mintage is 99. Yes, mintage 99, the edition mintage from the World Money Fair edition. Right, on the obverse side of this particular coin, we have the public seal of NIUE, which burns out at the center, anchoring memory to authority. Yes, below the inscriptions we have 2 New Zealand dollars, NIUE island, the nation backing the coin or the issuing country. 2026 is your year date, yeah, which is this year's World Money Fair in Berlin. And thanks to Cobra Stacker, in my humble opinion, he did well interviewing mints like Powercoin Antonella. Yeah, I did see him on Cobra Stacker's channel. I saw the interview with Cobra Stacker and Powercoin. I saw the interview Cobra Stacker with New Zealand Mint, and I also saw the interview with Mint XXI or Mint 21. So that was as far as I could go with watching some of the videos from Cobra Stacker on the World Money Fair edition. So you guys can always, go to his YouTube channel and give him a buzz. You know, he has done quite well interviewing so many people. Because if I was at the World Money Fair, trust me, I wouldn't be wasting my time interviewing people from the mint. I'll probably utilize those time trying to cover as many mints, many shops, many stands, many booths as possible as I can. Yeah, because you don't really get that opportunity all the time. But yeah, that is me. As you guys know, I do cover a lot of shows anyways. That's why I go to all these events to cover as much as possible, which normal people would not normally see. But anyways, moving on to the packaging segment. I said let me not do a separate segment. This is the floppy disk TechStalgic series released for the Bullion show. I believe the other gilded that they have is the unbreakable Nokia coin, which was the Dubai coin show. You will see it here, but this one is the Bullion style. And what else? Yeah, you flip it open, coin is housed here. This is where your COA is being located. So yeah, you will see that it was specially released on the World Money Fair. So for those of you who were there, would have probably had the chance to get it. And yeah, this is what it says anyways. And yeah, I believe that is all, to be honest. Nothing else of, you know, significant importance that we can hold to with regards this particular floppy disk coin. So they have done well, and yeah, I believe yeah, it is one of the best series I've seen so far. So what I've noticed is that the gilded editions are just packaged in this special suede kind of packaging. It's not like the normal acrylic and the felt nylon piece, but yeah, they've upgraded it to be different. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys, and a very big thank you to each and every single one of you once again for stopping by, dropping by to view yet another of my coin showcasing videos. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.